Stand 913 here. We're at St. George Terminal at the Staten Island Ferry, and we are taking the ferry today over to New York. And if you can look out this window here where you are, we do have you can see the city of New York, Manhattan right there. And you see the boats coming in, and we're going to take the ferry over. We're going to take the subway, but we're going to get on a 1933 subway. They only run it a certain amount of times of the year, and they're doing it right now on a Sunday. So we're going to take a 1933 subway. We got to be there at a certain time, probably around 10 o'clock, but we're trying to get there. And then we're going to walk around. We're going to see some things in New York. So why don't you join us? The ferry. This is pretty cool. Just to give you a little background. We come here a lot. We like this. We park here on Sundays. We always come on Sunday because the parking is free. The ferry is always free. Yeah, we're just waiting for the ferry now. It's every half hour. So it's now going. We're going to get the 8:30 ferry in the morning, and yeah, this is just a fun day we're going to have in New York. It's a little cold right now. It's in the 30s. Supposed to warm up, but in the city, like, there's no really a lot of sun, so it's hard to get some sun in the area. But it's supposed to warm up, so we'll see. So we're on the ferry, heading on over. You can see New York right here. Get ready to go over. We're going to go right by the Statue of Liberty. You've seen these videos before, but you see a Royal Caribbean ship right over there. That's Bayonne, New Jersey. Royal Caribbean goes out of there. Pretty cool. There's city skyline right there. For some reason they're not letting you outside here. But there's the city right there. We're heading over. Another cruise ship straight out there. Don't know who that is. Here's the old train, 1933. Look at this. Dressed up in 1930s. Look at how people are dressed up. Wow. Got the old fans in here. Look at the old fans. The cars are from 1930s to 1940.
I remember one time when I was in college, I was in a play that did something New York, and I want to show you the photo I have. Some of the trains up there have the
and it is packed in here.
Here. One tone, I mean a different word. I know that. I've been learning this since high school. I'm happy about it.
So they have all the old signs up here. Can't really see it, but it's pretty packed in here. If you can see, I'm crunched in here.
Sorry about that, by the way.
It's really moving. It's really moving. So loud, you can't even hear yourself thinking here. Just amazing. Closely, look at the old handles that everybody's holding on to. And there's air vents above the top here. They will pull those blue. Whoa, there goes the lights again. There's air vents above the top here to open up the air, but they don't have them open right now. Just got off and now it's getting ready to leave. Here it goes. Now we're going to see the tree if we can get to it, but this is their, we're going to go up now, we're going to go see the tree. And look where we're at, Radio City Music Hall right here. So we're going to go this way and we're going to go see the tree and check it all out. But there's Radio City. That's where we saw the Rockettes last year. Radio City. Right. As we turn the corner here, we're going to see it. Here it comes. There she is.
Wow, that's pretty tree. That's pretty. Huh? Around the opposite side. Still.
Por eso la perimesa no le tuvo.
Same SD card. Yep.
And right down below is the ice skating rink, but we're on the one side here just to get it from here. And this is Rockefeller Center right here. Yeah, that was the tree. We're very crowded there right now, and we are 4 days away. Four days away till Christmas. So we are in New York at one of the busiest times of the year at Christmas time. And here, one thing I want to say too: if you get a chance, go to Radio City Music Hall, see the Rockette show. It is awesome. The Rockette show is awesome. Your kids would love it. So we're going to head to the B&H store. We're going to split up from the gang, and we're going to do a lot more here in New York today. So, and we'll eventually, hopefully, get to Times Square, and we'll check things out. Across the street there, you can't really see it, but that's Macy's. You see Santa off there in the distance. The windows are right on the other side. So there's Macy's all lit up. And again, we're headed down to B&H store. That's pretty cool looking. Look at that. How it's lit up for the holidays. That's a lot of wreaths. came out of B&H. Look, there's the Empire State Building. We just came out of B&H and we're gonna head to Times Square. We're gonna walk down 8th Street here to Times Square.
Yeah.
There's the Empire State Building right there. Walking on 8th Avenue and 36th, headed to Times Square. And it is not bad today for like 4 days before Christmas. It's beautiful, just absolutely beautiful today. Not cold, but we're taking a walk. So that's the New York Times building here on 8th Avenue. Then you got the bus terminal here. And we're headed, oh wow, look at that big screen. Everything's big in New York, isn't it? This AMC in New York has one of the biggest IMAX screens in the country, right here. And it's so funny, look right across the street, they got a Regal Cinema. All the way up top there, they put screens on the windows. Check that out, digital screens. Isn't that cool? Wow. We made it to Times Square, here we are. The famous Times Square, we're checking it out. Look at this. So they're probably pretty soon going to be getting everything set up for New Year's. A lot of people here today. I don't think it's that bad though, honestly.
I really want to get that game.
2025 up there. They got the 2026 sign ready to go. There's the 2026 sign.
Wait, did you get a picture?
So the Windsor, we're up top. We came up top. See the 2026 sign down there.
你们帮我加个灯牌，然后加了完灯牌有那个。
And the winds are starting to pick up here today. But
That's from this
如
town.
果没有什么事情的
we
话，
had a late lunch, and at 43rd and Broadway, right down here, is a place called Tony's. We ate at Tony's at 43rd and Broadway. I highly recommend it. The food was fabulous, Italian. The entrees are huge, so one entree could feed 2 to maybe 3 people. We had 3 entrees. I think we had too much in the entrees, but we're bringing it home with us. But I highly recommend it. It's called Tony's. It's right down here on Broadway, 43rd and Broadway. I don't know if I can get a shot of it, but it's like the Brooklyn Diner's right here. It's right after the Brooklyn Diner. It's called Tony's. Highly, highly, highly recommend it. Right there. See, it says Tony right there. Tony's. It just says Tony, but it really says Tony's. It was really, really good food. Oh, God. We had salad, we had calamari. I got a shot of espresso and coffee. But oh my God, it was so good. I highly recommend it. Again, Tony's. So the girls are now in Carlo's Bakery, and they're getting some pastries to eat. And then we're going to call it a day. We're going to get back on the ferry, get on the subway, get out of here. It's starting to get dark. The sun's starting to go down, and it's a little windy right now. It's starting to get cold. But yeah, this is just awesome in New York. I love New York. Look at that. And the ball's out. Oh, there's the ball. Like I said, the ball is out. Getting ready for 2026. We're only a few days away till Christmas. We're in New York. We visited today. We took that old-fashioned 1933, 1940 subway. I highly recommend it. Look it up. It's the holiday train. I don't know what they do throughout the year, but I'll try to link something below. So if it's your first time watching, welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe, like to receive future notifications, hit the bell. Like this video, give it a thumbs up. Mr. Stan 913 in Times Square, New York. A day in New York in 2025. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.